Hi, I'm Irish Kevin, and do you have one of these kind of hoods that has these bad boys in here? And as time goes on, they don't keep the hood up anymore? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix it. And I'm not the only one working on my car today, as you can hear in the background. The only tools you need is one of these vice grips, a small screwdriver, and if you don't want to use vice grips, you need a honking piece of wood. Auto. Wait a minute. I just realized it's auto backwards and then auto forward. Hood struts for Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2014, excluding hybrid. Unboxing and installation and review. Here's how ridiculously easy this is. First, you want to take the vice grips, clamp it over here on the old hydraulic. I'm just going to call them hydraulics, so it doesn't knock you in the noggin. Then take a small screwdriver, wedge it into the pin or the little springy thing or whatever you want to call it, pull it out, both sides, top and bottom. My particular new hydraulics I had to put together, but that's okay, just screw it in, tighten it up. The hydraulic itself will spin with it. In this particular situation, to wedge the screwdriver in, I had to do this, improvisation. So do that. Then clamp it on in, and look, it works great. How simple is that? Such an easy fix for not a lot of money. You know the dealer is going to soak you for this.